Hello, Gay.
Noah, how are you? Thank you for having us.
Thank you for coming.
It's good to be here. We're here in Bet Yitzchak.
Bet Yitzchak, Sha'ar Hefer.
Sha'ar Hefer.
Yes.
Right near Netanya at Alexander
Village.
Winery.
The big village in the country.
The biggest village in the country.
Yes.
Okay, very cool. Well, we're here. And where do you want to start us off? You want to start us off in the barrel room?
Yes.
Let's
come
go
in.
check out your barrel room. You've got a new
Please.
barrel room. Let's go check it out. So we're here in your barrel room, and it's really a beautiful barrel room, but I've got a question for you. You know, we've met with some winemakers who say, I don't want to give it too much oak, you know, I don't want the oak to overpower the fruit, so I only give it 8 months or 10 months or 12 months. You have some wines that you give a lot of time. You leave the wine in the barrels for 24 months, and what's the longest that you
4 שנים.
4 years you put
4
in wine.
years in the barrel, yes.
There's probably some people out there that think you're a little crazy.
Yes.
What would you tell them?
Yes. יש לי הוכחה, proof, חד משמעית. כאשר היין מוצק, הוא לוקח עץ רק מה שהוא צריך. אבל בעץ יש גם חומצות, אסיד. אסיד לא יוצא בהתחלה, בשנתיים הראשונות. אסיד יוצא אחר כך.
Wow, okay. You're saying that there's acidity that comes out of the barrels as well, that the acidity isn't just in the grapes, acidity comes from the barrels, but for the first 2 years, acidity doesn't come out of the barrels.
Yes.
So you need to leave the wine
Leave
in the
the
barrels
wine.
for more than 2 years to be able to extract some of the acidity.
In acid, in the העץ והחומצה מתחלפים קצת.
So you're saying for the right balance, what happens is after that 2-year period,
2-3 years, yes.
2-3 years,
Yes.
the wood kind
It's
of
wood's
goes
coming
down,
it down,
and
yes.
the acidity comes more to the forefront.
בדיוק.
And you feel that gives your wine a better balance.
יפה. אני אעשה איתך אפילו עכשיו טסטינג.
Okay.
אני אתן לך לטעום יין. 4 years.
Let me taste a wine.
Yes.
Sounds good.
4 years
Say
the
no
barrel.
more, just let me taste.
Okay.
No, I'm kidding. No, finish. I was joking. 4 years. You have
4
a
years
wine
the
back.
barrel.
Yeah.
Now.
Yeah.
And I give you 2 years in the barrel, חבית חדשה. New barrel.
Brand new barrel. So we're gonna do a test. We're gonna
Yes.
do a little sample.
Yes.
2 wines. One that was in the barrel for 4 years.
And one
that was in the barrel for 2
2
years.
years,
And they
yes.
were both in brand new oak barrels.
Yes.
And brand new oak barrels impart the most oak flavor into a wine. That's a cool test. Let's do it.
יאללה. בוא.
Okay, so you suggested we were talking a little bit upstairs
Yes.
about a test. You know, I questioned how much sense it made to leave wine in oak barrels for as long as you do, and you said that you're going to prove to me that we're going to do a test. So we went ahead and we had 2 glasses brought down to us. One is the one that was in the oak barrels for 4 years. One is the one that was in the oak barrels for 2 years.
2 years, yes.
They're both brand new barrels. I don't know which is which, and we're going to try and do a little test now. Let's do a little test, shall we? So there's fruit in both of them.
נכון.
And on this first one, I actually picked up on the wood, more on the nose. And on the mouth, on the palate, I tasted a lot of fruit. The wood didn't stand out on the palate, it was very round, but the wood was there, it was apparent on the nose. This one, interestingly enough, I'm tasting the wood a little bit more too on the second one. So I don't know if I passed the test, did I fail the test, did we pass? Did you fail?
אתה מוכיח לי כמה אני צודק.
So I just proved that you're right.
כן.
So the one that I said that I smelled it, but on the palate it was round and I tasted the fruit, this is the one,
זה 4 שנים.
4 years.
4
old
years.
barrels. Wow.
2 years in a new barrel.
2 years in new barrels?
Yes,
another
and 2 years in new barrel.
in used?
07
Yeah,
and 09.
and 09. Wow. Very interesting. So all of you out there who think that spending all this time in the wood barrels is a bad thing for the wine? Who knows? Yoram and Alexander Winery are here to tell you that that might not be the case. What other tests do we have? Let's drink more wine.
Come on.